This is a wild elephant which got caught in a village of India which killed more than 10 peoples. Six trained elephants was used to catch this one elephant. There is two ropes tied on his leg to pull from a backside and from a front side by two elephants so that it will not run other sides. This is how much effort that is required to catch one elephant, one wild elephant without any injury, without any harm to elephant as well as any other people surrounded to watch them. These are the trained elephants which are coming back. There is almost 6 elephants is required to catch one wild elephant, and almost like 10 to 100 people surrounded to watch this, and there was almost 50 people to catch these elephants forest dogs. And this is pulled by a crane and put into a truck, and it will go to a rescue center.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬರೀ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಹಾಂ ಬೇಗ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹಲೋ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬೇಡ ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ ಬೇಡ ಆನೆ 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 ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ ಹಿಂಸರ್ರಿ ಓಯ್ ಚೂರಿ ಪೂರ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಓಯ್